Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 27. I have a special guest here today. Our objective is model decompositions of 10 using a story situation, objects, and number bonds. So you can use any object today as long as you have 10 of that object. So I have our 10 linking cubes here. And make sure you have your number bond. You could have 10 beans, 10 pieces of noodles, anything that you'd like to work with to practice number pairs to 10. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna play a game, what is less? I'm gonna write a number. Let's start with the number, okay, I need to write a number, excuse me. Let's write the number 5. And then what is one number less? One number less than 5. 4. Good. So 5 take away 4 is how many left? And this is where you can use your fingers or if you have 5 cubes in front of you. So 5 take away 4 leaves us with 1. Good job. All right, let's try another one. Let's do 6 take away, what's 6 and 1 less? 5. 6 take away 5 equals, let's try with our fingers this time. 6 take away 5 equals 1. Great job. Make sure you can say 1 less than any number given to you within 20. So if Miss Plitt says 1 less than 10, you would say 9. We're counting down. 1 less than 8, 7. And make sure you practice that at home, friends. All right, let's take a look at my dot board. I have 10 dots here for you today. 10 dots. So what's our whole? 10. Good job. How many dots are in the square? 1. How many dots are not inside the square? Count if you need to, or say, what's 10 and 1 less? 9. Great job. 1, let's repeat our sentence. 1 and 9 equals 10. Great job. You can write your number sentence to challenge yourself. 1 plus 9 equals 10. So good. All right, now we're having a birthday party. How many hats do I have all together? I see that too. 5 on top, 5 on the bottom makes 10. To write 10, we do a 1 and then a 0. How many hats are orange? 2. How many hats are blue? 8. Good. Let's say the number sentence together. 2 plus 8 makes 10. Every day 2 and 8 get together, they make 10. All right, let's take a look at my presents. All together, how many presents do I have? Again, 5 on top, 5 on the bottom. We know right away that we have 10 presents. How many presents are yellow? 3. How many presents are blue? 7. Great job, friends. All right, using your fingers or your linking cubes, we're going to continue through the number pairs for 10. Let's start with 4 in one of our parts. So if we have 4 in one of our parts, and all together we know that we have 10, see if you can figure out the missing number. How many do we need to put with 4 to make 10? Good, so we can start with 4 and then count up and stop at 10. Are you ready? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We put up 6 fingers, which means we need 6 more to make 10. And that's 6 in our tower. Good job. Let's write our number sentence. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Well done. All right, let's start by adding one of our tower from 6 and putting it on our tower of 4. So how many do I have in my 2 towers? What are the parts? 5 and 5. Great job. I have 5 blue and 5 yellow. And let's write our number sentence to match. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Well done, friends. All right. To do some practice today, we're going to draw circles because it's math class. There are 10 dragons playing. Some are flying, some are running. Draw the dragons and fill in the number bond with me. So I'm going to draw 4 dragons, 4 red dragons flying, and I'm going to do blue dragons. I need to make sure that I have 10 all together. Will you help me? Let's see how many I have right now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. I didn't want to draw too many dragons for my story. Altogether, I have 10 dragons. 4 of them are red. How many are blue? 6. Well done. We know that 4 and 6 makes 10. On your own at home, make a story. You can use dragons or unicorns, anything that you want, and see if you can draw a number bond to go with it. All right, friends, here's our last problem for today. There are 10 beads on the bracelet. How many altogether? You heard that right. There's 10 in our hole. What would the number bond and the addition sentence look like for the bracelet? Imagine you've got this split. How many beads are over here? 4. How many beads are over here? 6. And we'll write our sentence. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Great job today, friends. Thank you.